Julie, say hi, Great Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
No, look at the camera. Say hi, Great Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Say, I can't wait to see you.
Yes,
Clara, wave and say hi. Good job. Elvie, say hi, Great Grandpa.
Hi, Great Grandpa.
Can't wait till you come visit us.
I
Say,
can't wait till you come to visit us.
say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Clara. Clara, say bye-bye. Good job, honey. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.